Here at Ticket Fairy, we keep our ears to the ground to find out who is going to be the next big thing. Each show, we'll shine a spotlight on new and established artists who are tearing it up. Who should you add to your playlist right now? Here are a few recommendations on TF Selection. Matt Fax's Always You. Matt Fax, whose real name is David Silanska, is only 23 years old but already making a big name for himself. But maybe that should be no surprise, as he first started releasing music when he was only 13 years old. By the time he was 16, he got his first track signed to the prestigious trance labels Colorize and Anjuna Beats, Above and Beyond's label, and continues to release music through them till today. His music has reached new heights, with a combination of catchy melodic vocals and grooves and production that would please any lover of dance music. Today, we'll check out Always You from his album Progressions with Nashville, Tennessee-based singer-songwriter Audrey Assad. Roosevelt's Feels Right. Roosevelt is the moniker for German producer Marius Lauber. Starting off as a drummer in a teenage indie band, he's now known for his sophisticated, sexy grooves and lilting vocals. He says he's a dedicated music lover drawn to all forms of dance music. It shows through his tracks, and you can hear influences from yacht rock to Ibiza-influenced house to new disco to deep techno. His warm, emotional touch sounds will transport you with its chill vibes and beautiful hooks. He's announced his new album called Polydance, which will be out on the 26th of February 2021. Feels Right is the first track of the upcoming album. It definitely feels right listening to this track.
There's nothing I can say tonight. All I really know, it feels right. Nothing I can do, so hold tight. All I really know, it feels right. It feels right.
Solomon's Home. Originally from Bosnia, which was a part of Yugoslavia at the time, Solomon is the senior statesman on our show this week. Already in his mid-40s, he's finally getting the level of recognition he's never seen before. He started out in the early 2000s making business techno, that familiar techno we've been hearing at every techno club. He broke through in 2011 when he evolved his sound and started to bring in the influences of his musical roots: hip-hop, soul, funk and R&B, but combined with a techno edge. He received massive recognition in 2011 when he remixed Noir and Hayes' Around, where the style we all know him from now emerged. He has separated himself from the pack by creating a unique fusion of dance music with house and techno vibes, ultra funky bass lines, euphoric melodies and incredibly hypnotic grooves that wash over the dance floor. His latest release is Home, an amazing instrumental where you can close your eyes and imagine hearing it in a secret basement club at 5 a.m. or equally imagine being on a beach at a sunset with thousands of people with their hands in the air cheering. Marc Rebillet's You and Me. The best way you can describe Marc Rebillet is a phenomenon. He's part composer, part improviser, and part comedian. He's uniquely built a career on being a one-man show who takes requests for song subjects and writes them on the spot. Using a Boss RC505 loop station, it allows him to layer his voice with keyboards, tambourines, and other hand percussion instruments and complete a new song within minutes. In 2017, one of his shows was posted on Facebook and he went from 10,000 to 50,000 fans within a week or two, then 100,000, and now he has millions of fans. Now you get to be a part of the phenomena too. Check out his song You and Me, and you can watch for yourself as he creates a fun, soulful song right in front of your eyes. No studio magic, just pure live improv. AU5's The Encryption. AU5 is what many people would call an artist's artist. He may not be the best known, but all the best known know exactly who he is and love his music. He's only 28, but he's been releasing tracks since he was 17. At the time, creating next level melodic dubstep with amazing harmonies, chord progressions, and drops on a tiny label that was hard to find. Even then, after hearing him, legendary producer BT asked him to collaborate for tracks on his 2012 album. The same year, he won a 7 Lions remix and The Secret was out, signing to the acclaimed Monster Cat label. But being the musician he is, he wouldn't just stick to dubstep, creating everything from jazz to house to EDM to synthwave, which is why you should check out this next level musician. AU5's latest is The Encryption, a smooth synthwave track which brings the hallmarks he's best known for: rich melodic chords, soaring leads, and deep bass lines to a new style. And of course, it's top notch. Thank you for tuning in to the first edition of TF Selections. We hope you love these artists as much as we do. Stay tuned for more weekly content and the next edition of TF Selections coming soon.